Happy New Year, guys. It's Miss Syed, and we are going to go over the guided practice and a little bit of the independent practice from class on January 2nd, Tuesday. Welcome back. We are going green in 2018, which means we're going to be working harder than ever to make sure that we're mastering all of our objectives. So we're going to take a look at this guided practice round one. This is one of the objectives that you did learn already, but we had some trouble with it on the IA. So we're going to review it so that when we are moving forward, we definitely have our circles down. So I have these two examples of student work, and I'm going to decide who's correct and why. So first, I'm going to go ahead and read this. Giant circular lily pads found in Brazil can have a diameter of 12 feet. What is the area? So this student did a nice job of finding the diameter, or circling the word diameter, knowing that that was an important word. Hold on, make sure my pen is on here. So they circled diameter. They got that it was 12 feet. Unfortunately, they messed up here when they needed to find the area of the lily pad. And so they wrote circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. That's true. So they did 3.14. That is what we use for pi when we're not given a calculator or told to solve in terms of pi. But the student ended up finding the circumference. They did not find the area. So the student is wrong. And right here, we have circular lily pads found in Brazil, have a diameter of 12 feet. The student wrote D equals 12. What is the area, circled area, of the lily pad? So I have my key info box. My diameter is 12. My diameter is equal to 2r. And the reason I care is because I want to figure out the radius. I need the radius in order to find the area. So we found the radius. Half of 12 is 6. Area is equal to pi times the radius squared. So the student wrote out 3.14 times 6 squared. Using my order of operations, we have 6 squared is 36. 3.14 times 36 is approximately equal to 113 feet and 113 and 4 thousandths feet squared. The student did include units. So why do you think the incorrect student made an error? This is a great time. If you didn't get your notes, we might have a notebook quiz. Make sure that my pen is your pen. So this student found circumference and not area. All right, please forgive my sloppy writing here. Actually, let me fix that. This is a new program for me. Okay, go back to pen. This student found. So let's try one of these. A circle has a diameter of 26 units. 26 units. What is the area of the circle to the nearest hundredth of a square unit? Okay. When I have circles, I always like to find every dimension of the circle, just because it's pretty easy to do and we get to see how they're related. So I'm going to write R, D, C, and A. Again, yes, I'm doing extra, but this is something that if I do it with every circle I encounter, I'm never going to be wrong. Okay, so my diameter is 26 units. That's what I know. I also know that my radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, and I know that area is equal to pi r squared. So my radius is going to be 26 divided by 2, which gives me 13 units. My radius is 13 units. So my circumference, by the way, would be 26 times pi. All right, I'm not going to solve that out because I'm being asked for the area. So my area, fill in what I know, is equal to pi times 13 squared. And so quickly, this isn't one of the ones I have memorized. I need to calculate 13 times 13, and I get 169. I'm going to multiply that by 3.14. And remember, when we're multiplying with decimals, we do not need to line them up. Okay, so I have 169 times 3.14. And I am going to get 530 point. I'm looking for the nearest hundredth. So I have 530.93. My answer is going to be B. Okay, we'll do one problem from the independent practice today. Bear with me, guys. Okay. At the local park, there is a circular pool that is 94.2 yards across. And I know that across means I've been given the diameter. What is the surface area of the pool in square yards? Choose the correct expression. Okay, so surface area of the pool is meaning I just want to find out the area of this circle, which has a diameter of 94.2 yards. So I'm being asked to find the area. Am I going to use pi times 94.2? I know that's wrong, right? Because I know that my area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared, okay? Is it pi times 47.1? Well, if I do 94.2 and I divide that by 2, I am going to get 47.1. And that is the radius. So I'm not really sure. I'm going to come back to this. C is telling me pi times 94.2 squared. Again, I know that's wrong because looking at my formula, this 94.2 is the diameter, and I know that I need to find the radius. Here we go. Pi times 47.1 units squared. So I'm between now B and D. And the thing that puts me over the edge, the thing that makes me know what the answer is this squared. When I look at my formula, area is equal to pi r squared. I have the pi here, I have the radius, I have the squared. I do not have that in B. So my answer is going to be D. Okay. I'm going to end this video now. There is a round 2 of practice for today's lesson. So you can click on the next video if you're looking for round 2. All right, guys, good luck, and I will see you tomorrow.